Good morning, students.
Good morning, teacher.
So, students, what is in this chart?
We can see the basic shapes here:
Which shapes can you see here?
square, rectangle, circle, and triangle.
Yes, now tell me which shape has only three corners?
Triangle.
Yes, very good. Now, students, see the chart. What you can see here?
Types of triangle:
Yes, right. They all are triangle. So, do you know the types of triangle?
not yet, teacher.
So, do you have any idea what we are going to study about?
We are going to study about triangle and their types.
Yes, very good. So today we are going to study the types of triangle. So everyone just see here, which shape is this?
This is a triangle.
Yes, how many sides it has?
It has three sides.
Yes. So do you know what is the sum of a measure of a triangle?
180-degree.
Right. Now let me tell you what are the types of triangle. So what can you observe here in this page?
There are types of triangle.
Yes, this all are the different type of triangles. Do you know some of them?
As we can see, they are mentioned in the paper. Above there is equilateral triangle, isosceles triangle, and scalene triangle. Along with that, we can also see the right angle triangle, obtuse angle triangle, and acute angled triangle.
Yes, okay. This you answered me on the basis of seeing this paper. Now tell me that do you know the classification of the triangle?
No, teacher.
Can anyone try to tell me the classifications by seeing this picture?
Ma'am, by seeing this picture, we can say that they are classified on the basis of their sides and by angles.
Yes, good. Can you classify the given triangle by sides and by angle?
Yes, teacher, we can try. By sides, we have equilateral triangle, isosceles triangle, and scalar triangle. And by angles, we have right angle triangle, obtuse angle triangle, and acute angled triangle.
Yes, so far very good. Now I will explain you the classification more detailedly. Like see, now they are classified by two things. Okay, so one is by side and one is by angle. Understood? So just now you answered me that they are classified on the basis of their two things, that is by side and by angle. Okay, so we also have the types of triangle by sides and by angle. So in the by side classification, you can see equilateral triangle, isosceles triangle, and scalene triangle. And by classification on the basis of angles, you can see right angle triangle, obtuse angle triangle, and acute angle triangle. Now as these triangles are firstly introduced to you, I will explain you the meaning of each and every triangle one by one. So do you know what is equilateral triangle?
So far, with the name, we can guess that the triangle having each side equal is known as equilateral triangle.
Yes, absolutely correct. The triangle which has all sides equal is known as equilateral triangle. Now we will see the next triangle, that is isosceles triangle. Now can anyone tell me what is isosceles triangle?
No, ma'am, as we have seen this triangle first and we have listened about it firstly, we don't know. Can you please explain us?
Yes, dear, sure. I am here to explain you the things well and nicely. Okay, so the next triangle about which we talked is isosceles triangle. So, isosceles triangle is triangle which has two sides equal. Okay, there are three sides in a triangle, right? So, here in isosceles triangle, what happens? Only the two sides of the triangle are equal, and the third one is different from the other two sides. Understood now?
Yes, ma'am.
Now the last one is scalene triangle. Now listen, this scalene triangle means that the three sides of the triangle, each and every side is different, like no angle is similar to the other. Every three angles has different measurement. Okay, so the triangle which has different three sides is known as scalene triangle. Now we have understood the triangles which are classified by sides. Now we will go on to the triangles classified by angles. So first one is right angle triangle. So what is right angle triangle now? The right triangle angle is that triangle which has one angle of 90 degree. Okay, in right angle triangle we can see that the one measurement or one angle of the triangle is 90 degree. Okay, so if you see that the triangle measure is 90 degree, then you should understand accordingly that it is a right angle triangle, as the name also suggests or tells us that it right angle triangle means the angle which has right angle in it. Now next one is obtuse angle triangle. Now obtuse angle is that angle triangle which has more than or which makes more than 90 degree angle. Okay, that is known as obtuse angle triangle. Now the last one is acute angle triangle. Acute angle triangle is that triangle which has the measure less than 90 degree. Okay, this is acute angle triangle. So student, hope you all have understood it very nicely. Now you can copy this angles or these types of triangle in your notebooks accordingly, so that it could be helpful for you in the future reference. So yes, that is it for today's topic. Let me take a short recapitulation on what we have studied today. So student, today we learned about what is a triangle and on the basis of which they are classified. Okay, so they are classified by sides and by angles. We also seen about the different type of triangle, and also we found out the meanings of the different type of triangle, that why they are named as they are named. Okay, so now here I will end the class. Before that, I am going to give you some evaluation question. You have to solve it in your notebook right now.